This building will serve a critical role at the airport long after we are here to see it. And safety will always be at the forefront of everything we do. We care about our customers and those who visit our region. We want this community to have the best airport in the nation. And we care about how we get there. So today we are celebrating the completion of this beautiful building. We have a lot to do, and we're just getting started.
Having this new state-of-the-art fire station helps us continue to fulfill our mission of providing rapid, reliable, professional emergency services to not only the citizens of Birmingham and the stakeholders of Birmingham, but all the people who come through the airport each and every day. Not only are we opening a new fire station, but we're also placing 2 new aircraft rescue firefighting trucks in service, and they'll be known as Blaze 1 and Blaze 2. Blaze 1 is a Rosenbauer Panther 6x6 crash truck. Blaze 2 is a Panther 4x4 crash truck. It has a roof-mounted infrared camera system. It holds over 1,600 gallons of water, and it weighs over 38,000 pounds.